First MCQ test of biology in human welfare. Okay, take one book and pen and write down answers. Only questions are given in this video. Okay, the answers will be sent to your WhatsApp group. First, you take one notebook and pen and answer these questions. Read the questions thoroughly and answer them. Okay, here comes the first question. Coelozoic and enterozoic parasite of the following. Try to answer without looking at the options. Okay, if you remember what is the coelozoic and enterozoic parasite without looking at the option, then look at the options. Okay, here are the options: Ascaris, Trichonympha, Trypanosoma, Plasmodium. Coelozoic and enterozoic parasite. This is the first question. Answer this one. Next, second one. Cytozoic parasite. Parasite which lives in the liver cells. Here it lives in the space. There must be a space here. Okay, cytozoic parasite which lives of man is cytozoic parasite. You learned what is cytozoic parasite. Okay, the one first option Plasmodium, next Trichomonas, the third option Tinea, fourth option Leishmania. Which of the following parasite is a cytozoic parasite that lives in liver cells? Here comes the third one. Nosema notabilis, which is in association with the Spirospora polymorpha, a parasite in the urinary bladder of toadfish. Nosema notabilis is a which lives on Spirospora polymorpha, is a predator, hyperparasite, host, and fourth one commensal. Okay, next question, fourth one. Enteric rhizopod parasite. Enteric rhizopod parasite in man is Entamoeba histolytica, Ascaris, and next one Enterobius and Ankylostoma. Enterobius, Ankylostoma. Next one is the here comes the next question, fifth one. Digenetic parasite. Digenetic parasite that completes the life cycle. Digenetic parasite completes here. There must be a space here. Okay, digenetic parasite. Okay, here we have to keep space here. Digenetic parasite completes the life cycle in two hosts of the same species. Okay, two single host in one form, two hosts of different species, and next one is in different forms. Okay, this is the question is digenetic parasite completes its life cycle in. Here comes the next one, sixth one. Rapid increase in the number of cells due to. Here there must be a space here. Due to the effect of a parasite in the host is hyperthyroidism, hyperplasia, castration. Okay, next one, seventh one. Plasmodium causes hypertrophy too. Plasmodium causes hypertrophy too. Erythrocytes in man, hepatic cells in erythrocytes in man, hepatic cells in man, bile duct in the bile duct of liver fluke, bile duct in by liver fluke, and reticuloendothelials in man. Plasmodium causes hypertrophy too. Next, eighth one, an example of a gigantism due to parasitic effect. Example for due to parasitic effect is man due to tinea, and pig due to plasmodium, snail due to liver, and pig due to tinea. Okay, here comes the next one. Sterility in Carcinus minus is due to. Carcinus minus means crab. In crab, sterility is due to Saculina, Spirospora, and third option this one. And this is a mistake. Third option Cystosoma, and fourth option Segostoma. Just as female Anopheles to Plasmodium vivax, so is just as female Anopheles to Plasmodium vivax, so is Homo sapiens to male Culex to Eukarya, and Culex to Entamoeba, and Culex, this one third one, Culex to, that is Culex to Entamoeba, and Piculus to Yersinia. Okay, these are the options. Pick up the correct answer. Next one, here comes the next question, that is 11th one. Number of eggs laid by female ascaris per day is, number of eggs laid by female ascaris. Okay, female ascaris per day is, okay, 200, 2000, 20,000, 2 lakhs. Many developmental stages are observed, is I is not there, observed in the life history of many developmental liver flukes, tapeworms, sporozoans, and turbellarians. Hold fast structures in the endoparasitic tapeworm are, hold fast structures means which help in anchoring. Okay, hold fast structures in the endoparasitic tapeworm are, what are the hook suckers, claws, nails, suckers, and appendages. One of the following is a vector host for the Plasmodium. Vector host. Okay, one is Musca. Okay, this is a Pagurus, and Anopheles female, and bedbug. Which one of this is the vector host of Plasmodium? Next one, vaccine cannot be produced against Plasmodium and HIV because antibodies and ineffective. Antibodies are ineffective. Antigen cannot stimulate bodies. Next one, antigens of Plasmodium HIV are not stable. And find out the histozoic parasite from the sorry. Okay, another option is not there. Okay, in these three options, select one option. Out of these three, correct answer is there. Out of these three, select one. Find out the histozoic parasite following: Eukarya bancrofti and Trichomonas vaginalis, histozoic. Okay, next one, Tinea solium and Leishmania donovani. Next one, next to 17th one. The intermediate host of Entamoeba histolytica is pig, snail, housefly, absent. Intermediate host you have to find. Histozoic form of Entamoeba histolytica is, histozoic form of Entamoeba histolytica, cystic state, trophozoite state, precystic state, and all. Okay, pathogenic form of Entamoeba histolytica is, pathogenic form of Entamoeba histolytica is cystic form. Next one is tetranucleate form. Next one is metacyst, and fourth one is trophozoite, which is the pathogenic form of the Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba histolytica belongs to the phylum 1. Protozoa, 2. Porifera, 3. Aschelminthes, 4. Cnidaria. Which phylum does Entamoeba histolytica belong? Okay, this is the, okay, these are a test of 20 questions. Okay, write down answers. I will tell you the key. Okay, I will send you the key and correct how many, okay, bits you got correct.